Good morning, YouTube. Today, I wanted to show you what the language Afrikaans sounds like. Afrikaans is a native language in South Africa, and only South Africa. So, if you're not from South Africa, you have never heard this, or you've probably heard it because it's on YouTube, but there's not too much videos of it. But, yeah. Goeiemôre YouTube. Vandag praat ek Afrikaans. Afrikaans is baie maklik want dit klink baie soos hoe jy dit sê. So ek is van Suid-Afrika en ek hou baie van kaas. Ja. En daai was Afrikaans. Ja. Okay.